Hello everyone, welcome back to NoTech. In this video, we can see how to compare the expected and actual result using Selenium and C#. Let's get started. Now, let's write the script. So if you have any clarification on how to do the environment setup using Selenium and C#, please refer my previous video. Now let's write the script for comparing the expected and actual result. First, we need to launch a web browser. So in C#, so the syntax to launch a browser is WebDriver driver equal to new. Here we are going to launch the Firefox browser. So Firefox driver. Here we are going to open this website selenium.dev. So we need to give this URL in the script. So let's write driver.navigate. So to open the web page, we need to use this function navigate. Dot go to URL. So inside bracket, inside double quotes, we need to paste that URL. Now put a semicolon here. Now let's run the script. For that, go to this terminal and give the command .NET run. Now the web page is opened. So to compare the results, so we are comparing the title of this web page. So to know about the title, go to this page source and search title. So here the title of this web page is Selenium. So our expected result is Selenium. So we can continue writing the script. So declare a string variable, string expected title equal to, inside double quotes, expected title is Selenium. And we need to declare a actual title variable also. Actual title equal to blank value. Now let's print both this expected title and actual title variable. So for that, the syntax is console.writeLine. So expected title plus, so copy this variable. And we can also print the actual title variable. Console.writeLine of actual title. And here we want to copy the title variable. Now we need to identify the title of that web page. So for that, we need to use the title function. So actual title equal to driver.title. So this function will return the title of that web page. Now we can write a condition if this actual title equal to expected title, then console.writeLine here. So if actual equal to expected, then the test is passed. So we can write the text as test passed. So if not, that means else, test is failed. Console.writeLine test failed. So that's it. Now let's run the script again. So to run the script, .NET run. So in the terminal we can see the expected title is Selenium and also the actual title is Selenium and the test passed. So now we can check a negative scenario also. So instead of the Selenium, expected title as Selenium, so I am giving the expected title as Selenium automation. So the expected title is the Selenium automation. Now let's run the script again. So here the test is failed because the expected title is Selenium automation and the actual title of that web page is Selenium. So that's it. If you have any clarification, please mention in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to NoteTech. Thank you.